Found CTD files in an application's data directory? These are database files from a high-performance embedded database engine. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain what these C-tree database files contain and how to access the data inside them. Quick check. Before proceeding, know that a universal viewer can often read the data within the CTD archive, even if it can't fully extract it. CTD files are database files created using the C-tree database engine by FairCom, a high-performance embedded database technology used in many commercial applications. They contain structured table data with records fields and indexes optimized for fast read-write operations in transaction processing and real-time data management applications. C-tree CTD database files use a proprietary binary format with B+tree index structures, fixed or variable length record storage, and transaction log integration. The format supports ACID compliance, concurrent multi-user access, and cross-platform binary compatibility between Windows, Linux, and macOS deployments. The CTD file is widely endorsed for use with Intuit QuickBooks, desktop developed by Intuit Inc. Windows requires elevated permissions for the file, which dedicated software manages automatically. Windows can't show row-level content, so proper inspection needs a database utility. The key to fixing this CTD file is finding the right software association. Right-click it and choose Open With. Start with Intuit QuickBooks Desktop if available. If not, select another application from the list. If the CTD file hasn't opened yet, take a breath. Since the file is so resistant, we need to turn to direct testing. Follow this list and test these failure points to see where the problem originates. First, accessing through applications. CTD files are typically accessed through the application that created them rather than opened directly. The host application uses the C-tree database engine internally to read and write data. Check the application's data export or reporting features to extract information stored in the CTD database files. Next, using C-tree tools. If you have access to FairCom's C-tree development tools or the C-tree Edge database server, connect to the CTD files using the C-tree API or SQL interface. The C-tree ACE ODBC driver enables SQL queries against C-tree databases from standard database tools. Contact FairCom for evaluation licenses of their database management utilities. Finally, extracting data. For data extraction without C-tree tools, examine the CTD file in a hex editor to identify record patterns and text content. If the host application provides export functionality, use it to save data as CSV XML or other portable formats. Professional database recovery services can also extract data from C-tree format files if needed. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You may find success with a solution built on independent file logic that aims to read the file header at the byte level to identify the format, regardless of its current label. It's time for the master key. When the simpler solutions for your file were unsuccessful, you need the format agnostic power of FileMagick. Get the download link at filemagick.com. If you found the instructions clear, please like the video and subscribe for new content every week.